Now friends, having completed the entire journey of the minor arcana from the 8s through the 9s, we have finally reached the 10s. And the key word for the 10s is finality. Where the aces were the start of a new venture or a dream or a new idea, the 10s represent conclusions of the same. Where the aces were the pure elemental spark of that suit, the 10s, here we see the element of the suit is complete both in the physical and in the spiritual world. So the 10s is all about finally reaching the completion. Our 10 of Wands is about being completely immersed in work to the extent that we are overloaded. We may be overextending ourselves. We are burdened and we are struggling with our work. In the 10 of Cups, love and happiness are both complete. We are enjoying peace, there is commitment, we are feeling joyful. Our family is complete and fulfilling. In the 10 of Swords, friends, we have hit rock bottom with the negativity of the Sword suit, because the negativity is complete. There is desolation, there is ruin, there is suffering. The breakdown of the thinking process is symbolized by the 10 of Swords. You may feel like you're a victim, feel angry, frustrated, and you know you cannot sink any deeper than this. The 10 of Pentacles is about completing the material and financial bliss promised by the Pentacle suit. This card is of inheritance and wealth. It's about enjoying family ties and emotional security. You are enjoying affluence with this card and you're seeking permanence. This card is also about following convention.